Hi guys, it's Melissa from Mimi's Treasures Boutique. We're going to be reviewing a new bag here and doing an unboxing from the Hermes store. So super excited to show y'all. If you don't know who we are a resale boutique specializing in Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, and a few Hermes items. And then we also do custom lab-grown diamond jewelry in white, gold, platinum, and sterling silver. And then we also offer professional authentication services for handbags. And we also just started custom designing handbags also in exotic leathers, so like lizard, ostrich, crocodile, and we are super excited about that. So if that's something you might be interested in, custom designing your own handbag, you can message us. Our price points are really great on those, and they're all handmade. All right, guys, so what you really came for, the unboxing. All right, so this is a new style. Hermes re-released this style this year. They used to make a rather big one. It was about this big. It had very long handles, went on the shoulder, hence the name Shoulder Birkin. The new Shoulder Birkin, however, the handles are longer than usual, but as I will show you, it doesn't really go on the shoulder too well. And I think the reason for that is because people didn't like the proportions of the older model. They thought the handles looked a little too long, so they tried to make it a little bit more cutesy when they re-released it. And this is the 29 size. All right. So me and Mom jetted over to Hawaii. This is Mom's bag right here. We share bags, so she was nice enough to let us do this review on the beautiful bag that she got from Hermes. And here we go. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, they released the Shoulder Birkin back in January. But this one is new. The denim, like kind of Blue Jean look, this one, very fairly new. So it's got a blue denim on the bottom and then black leather on the top. So you're going to see right away that the handles are much longer in proportion to the bag than a regular. It's east-west style. So it kind of looks like a little hot dog. Then I did have, of course, they had the felt on it. I never put these back on. They are pain. And then we've got our receipt here. Everybody always wonders, you know, how much. So this one retails for $15,900. So it is more than a regular. And this particular style, even when it was released originally, way back in the day, was still more than the regular one. So that's pretty normal. Here's what it looks like all around. So let's go ahead and open it up. This one has palladium hardware. And as you can see, we've obviously already unboxed it, guys. So I didn't just unbox it. Me and Mom tore into it yesterday at the Olive Garden and looked at her and took some pictures. I did post a picture of me with it and Mom with it on our Facebook wall yesterday. So we also picked up, when we were at Hermes yesterday, I got some pants. Mom got some plates and bowls. She really loves houseware. She likes to drink her coffee out of her Hermes cup. All right, so this is what it looks like opened. I love it opened. I think it is so cute opened up. So, of course, you're going to put your sangles in. Put this here. I love the two-tone look. So I love the Blue Jean, and then you just see that pop of black in the back. So now let's go ahead. Hold on, let me move my Hermes chair here. I don't know, here you go. Y'all can see the top of the Hermes chair. I'm gonna move it over. It's super heavy so that we can show you the bag. All right, guys, so this is the proportion of the bag. I am 5'7", so y'all can get an idea of what it looks like. And then This is the bag on the arm. As y'all can see, I'm pretty thin, and I mean, this is not doable. So you'd have to be really petite to fit it on the arm. All right, let's look inside the bag. So here's the inside of the bag. It's leather on the top, and then it's the Blu Jean material on the sidewall, and then it's got a leather bottom. And then it's got like a card slot here for like a credit card. It doesn't have like a big pocket like the regular Birkin does. And then it comes with a key clochette. It's like normal. All right, and there she is. All right, guys, I am just so super excited to show you the beautiful bag. She's gorgeous. The bottom is leather. Mom and myself, we were super excited to get this bag for our shared wardrobe. Me and Mom share everything. So there she is. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. If you have any questions, you can send them to us. And then if you are looking for anything, this obviously is not for sale. We do not sell our offers from Hermes. We keep them, so that is not for sale. But we do have other things on our website that are for sale, so y'all check it out. It's Mimi's Treasures, MEMES Treasures.com. All right, guys, I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.